how to crop a video in DaVinci Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to do that. So if you find this video really help you, subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends. Okay, so first thing, add the video on your timeline here, like that. And right now I want to crop the video. So what I need to do is go here to the tools, click, and you will find the crop icon or the crop tool. Click on it. And right now I will crop my video, as you can see here. So I will crop like that, for example. So I finished right now. So you can, by doing that, crop the video in DaVinci Resolve. So if you found this video really help you, subscribe my channel, like the video, and tell me on the comments what you need to learn in DaVinci Resolve, and I will try to help you. Thank you.